Hey guys, it's Melody. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are not working on anything inside, but instead, I'm trying to do a little bit of DIY outside in the yard. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Okay. So, I got me some purple elephant ears, caladium. We don't call them that where I'm from. My grandma called them elephant ears, so that's what I'm calling them. I'm gonna plant these. I got 12 bucks for $11.47 from Walmart. I felt that was a pretty good deal. I'm gonna try to just put them alongside here. And yeah, we're gonna see how that looks. So as you can probably see from the way the deck looks, everything in our yard is unfortunately a mess at the moment. This summer we did get some trees cut down, so we did, make that step. But there's so much to be done, before we feel like we really enjoy our backyard. But today I'm just going to focus on trying to plant me some flowers for the first time ever.
Try to see where my luck goes. I
Y'all, I don't know what it is about being in the yard that makes you feel like such an auntie, but I enjoy every moment of it. Yes, homeowner, being a mom of two kids. I turned 33 this year. All of those things could be a part of it, but I really did enjoy having my me time, planting my flowers, breaking a sweat. That was fine with me. I moved the umbrella out here. Let me know what activities you do, or is there a thing where you feel like, oh, like this is what growing older feels like. I have never claimed to be the garden girl, but I know my grandmothers, both of them, were those girls. So I'm out here just, trying to channel the ancestors. But I do see why both of my grandmothers had what they call their yard men, because I don't think I ever seen them really do this. Maybe grandma LA, maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna take me a little break, and then we're going to move that mulch pile, or some of it, to where I just planted those flowers. At least that's the plan. But for now, we're gonna take a little break. Yeah. So now that they are planted, I went ahead and put some mulch on top of them. Like I said before, we got our trees cut down earlier this spring, and we have several piles of mulch from that throughout the yard, which is also starting to look a little bit tacky if you ask me. But that's what I'm using. I'm going to put this on top of these flowers, get this watered really good, and then I am so excited to see how this turns out. Y'all, this is my first time planting flowers that are like starting from a bulb. Apparently there's like a certain way you're supposed to plant them, right side up and all that jazz. Didn't do it the right way because I googled it after the fact. I called my mama and she was like, you know what, they're flowers, they're smart enough to find their way, and I'm believing what my mama said. So I'm excited and I'm looking forward to see how these turn out. But let's go ahead and get this mulch on here and get it watered, because the sun is beaming, and that's enough for me. Okay, so along here, I'm thinking about mulching that too. We definitely have enough mulch. And I even have some floor protected cardboard. You can see up there. That I was gonna throw it in the recycling bin, but I thought about how people are always using cardboard boxes to kind of keep the weeds away. But I don't know if I need to dig those up first and then put it down there. I'm thinking that makes more sense, maybe. And then I also don't know if I'm gonna do that today because I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting tired. But yeah, that's the thought behind kind of cleaning up in there.
Now I gotta realize that you have fallen out, so I'll take my chances tonight. I gotta choose fight instead of flight. It's really amazing how you got me tripping on you now. Many beautiful faces, but they're not going. I just don't know how. You're a chemical in my heart, like a chemical of black heart. It's really
Okay, that's it for me. I'm tired. I'm hot. I'm hungry. A little parched. So yeah, I think we did good. I'm gonna water this last little bit of mulch and put all this stuff back in the basement. And I'm gonna go and relax and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Because why would I be out here this time of day? It was nice at first, but now it's getting quite warm out here. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye. Oh, and now that I've planted some flowers, I'm gonna go ahead and say that if these do well outside, you can't tell me that I don't have a green thumb. And the next thing is gonna be for me to start seeing if I could grow anything inside of the house, because in the past, not so much, didn't work out. But we're gonna give that a try. Let's see. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye.